How can we use professionalism to influence others? Professionalism is a combination of specialized knowledge, skills, and behaviors that enable someone to succeed in their work role. When we hear this word, we often think about professional dress and manners. But it's more than that. It also means going above and beyond the minimum requirements of your role, being respectful and honest in your interactions with others, and managing your social network and reputation. Power and influence exist only within social interactions. Our ability to develop high-quality relationships has a direct effect on our ability to develop power. So, who should we get to know? The answer is everyone, from our employees to experts in our field. Unfortunately, some managers don't take the time to build professional relationships with key stakeholders, and they can't do all the work without these other people. High-quality relationships require time, effort, and genuine concern for others. In other words, you get out of them what you put into them. You can rely on these evidence-based strategies to help you develop relationships, including management by walking around, impression management, and social network expansion. The first strategy is to practice management by walking around. This simply means walking around your organization, observing and talking with other employees. Make an effort to speak to as many people as possible. Learn their names, ask about their work, and find out what they need to do their jobs better. This strategy works because managers are more visible to their employees, and they learn about the inner workings of their organization. The second strategy is to make a positive first impression. Prepare a brief introduction with your name, role, and something to help people remember you. Whether it's a nickname or rhyme or unique characteristic, use a firm handshake to introduce yourself and share a business card that reflects your personal style. To help you remember other people's names, repeat them several times right after meeting them, and associate their name with something unique about the person. Show appreciation for people's time by thanking them for chatting with you. The third strategy is to sample employees' jobs by actually doing some of the work. This will help you understand what their daily work life is like by actually walking a mile in their shoes. They'll also help you relate to them and show genuine concern for their well-being. The fourth strategy is to expand your social network. This is beneficial because we can learn from our contacts, turn to them for guidance and support, and share resources with them. It also helps us build power and social influence. Managers should extend their networks beyond their teams, departments, and organizations. A great way to meet people in your industry is to join a networking organization. For example, the Society for Human Resource Management. The final strategy is to update and manage your online reputation. More and more organizations use social media data to make hiring and promotion decisions. Your profile should reflect who you are in reality, not some ideal version of yourself. Highlight your professional qualifications and accomplishments without stretching the truth. Together, these 5 strategies can help managers develop the power they need to influence others and get the job done.